Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to use this sketch from Sarah Scraps. Now I happened to find it because I thought it was cute, simple, and easy to do because in the month of September we are taking the month off. So I may do some scrap lifting just throughout the month. Laura has got, excuse me, has got an awesome Scraptember going where she's going to do that video a day. I would love to join in, but right now with the way the world is and how crazy it is, there's just, I want to do it so bad, but I just can't. So I know on camera you cannot see what I'm doing because it is so light. I took 3 colors from my greens and I've got a photo of my Asher Basher and Kaylin. And I took 3 different colors and I ombra'd it down. And I know you can't see it on camera at all. I get it. But in the still shots you will see that they're there. I promise you they're there. I wanted it to be subtle with my side that you see there is going to be very prominent as well. Just as once I get this on there. But it's just a background piece. And in Sarah Scraps, she used very bright colors because she has a Doodlebug collection. And the inks that she's using is Catherine Pooler. And Catherine Pooler inks are very inky and very bright to begin with. And the 3 colors that I picked to match the Echo Park dog collection that I'm using is not as bright colored. So I decided to use avocado, fern, and New England ivy. And that's why you can't quite see it at all. And I know it's on a white piece of paper and you're like, well, what's the point of doing this? But I promise you, you will see it in the still shots at the end. So what I decided to do, she used a bunch of papers and stuff on this one side here, and I'm actually going to do the stamping so that you can see that yes, you can still achieve that paper look with a stamp. And I decided to get out, like I said, I got out the Cooper, oh, I'm using the Bella Boulevard. I thought I was using the Echo Park one. Either way, it's still a dog collection. But I am apparently using the Bella Boulevard one, which either one would have worked perfectly, but I did pull the colors out. So what I'm doing is that I am backing it just like Sarah does. Now, Sarah Scraps doesn't really do a lot of layering like I do, and y'all know me, I gotta have my layering. So I had to add some extra layers and stuff, and then of course, she doesn't have any splatters this time around. Or at least on this layout anyway, and I gotta have my splatters. It is what it is. So here I am, I'm just placing all of my little bits and bobs of papers on here, and I wanted to make sure that I got all of the layering on there because that's all I do for papers, is just this part around the picture. And this photograph of my daughter and Asher Basher is like day 2 of us having Asher, or maybe a couple days later. We have sunflowers that are in what we call our back 40s. If you don't know what back 40s are, you're not from the Midwest. And I don't know how to explain it. It's just in the backyard, like off the beaten path. Sorry about that. My computer decided I'm going to stop recording because it doesn't want to record you. Don't know why. So, but it's out in the back 40s, and I wanted to get some photographs with some sunflowers and whatnot, and I decided to go back and I wanted to catch up some of Asher's pictures and stuff because I wanted, hopefully, some of these companies like Echo Park and Bella Boulevard comes back out with some animals again. So that, or some like animal papers, especially dog ones, so that I can get them and whatnot, because ultimately I just have 2 collections, which is Echo Park and then this one. So anyway, I decided on this other side, so on Sarah Scraps section, she has all of these papers that she layered up and put some stuff on there and made it look cute and gorgeous, and I decided I am going to do a dog version of it, and instead of doing layered papers. I am taking all of these little sayings that this collection comes with and decided to use up a lot of them. Just to match, make sure it all looks good, and try to use some of these up, because this collection does come, like almost all Bella Boulevard's stuff, they do come with quite a bit of like sayings and whatnot, and I wanted to use up a lot of them. So that's what I decided to do there. Now I am going in and I'm kind of going upward a little bit like Sarah does, and then downward like she does, and then that's pretty much it with this layout. So make sure you go check out Sarah's Scraps, obviously. Make sure you go check out Laura. Remember, we are taking the month of September off, so we will be back in the month of October. And this is the first time in years, like I'm talking years, since I have done YouTube, that we have taken a month off. So it feels a little weird, y'all, to not hear my voice talk about Scrapless Sunday. But never fear, we are back, because both Laura and I absolutely truly love doing this collection, or doing this collaboration. Laura and I do a lot of fun stuff with this. So I just want to make sure that you guys remember that. So life, oh my Jesus, life. I did a voiceover on one of my layouts, and it's going up just a tad bit later than what I expected it to go up, just due to things. And so that's going to explain it. So it's going to look like I kind of double duped, but we had, oh my gosh, school is very different the month of August. So we opened up in the month of August. Y'all know I went to the first day of school, went through the first week, and on Thursday, 2 weeks ago, it snowballed. It started on Thursday, and then it went to Friday. Monday, my world flipped upside down. I had kids in my classroom being sent home, and then I went virtual. And then by Wednesday, I was hoping that, yep, we'll be kind of back starting this coming week, because this is Sunday, so I figured by this Monday we would have some of the kids back in the classroom. Otherwise, a lot of them would be back on the 25th, and it would be fine, right? Nope, we shut down. Come Wednesday, we shut down. We said Wednesday, we're sending the kids home, and we're learn from home, and it drastically changed us. So I've been teaching virtually since Tuesday of last week, and I will go through this whole week, and hopefully what we're calling it is Back to School 2.0. We're going to try this again, because technically we only got through the first 4 days of school, or 3 days, and then we had to start sending kids home. So my world has been flipped upside down. I went from teaching face-to-face to virtual. My daughter is still face-to-face. Her school has not had to shut down yet. As of right now, I think they still haven't had to send any kids home quarantine as of right now. I'm knocking on every wood, you know, just keep ourselves in our thoughts and our prayers, because let me tell you, woof to Mia. This is a rough start to the year, but my kids are resilient. They are fantastic. I'm fantastic. I am fine. What you're hearing in my voice is my allergies. That kicked out because of all of the rain and stuff we've been getting with these hurricanes and tropical storms and things like that that's coming through. So just be on the lookout, be on the safe side, and I'm back to normal with my videos. You'll see a bunch of them come up. So here I am. I'm taking Dana Weekly's gold color grit and spreading it out. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you enjoyed this process. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.